Hey guys, how's it going? It's been drizzling on and off all day. It's pretty grey right now. But I thought I'd just come outside because I put together a new cook kit. So in here is just a stove and matches and a windshield and stuff. So it gives me all I need just in this cup to cook up a brew, hot chocolate or tea or something. So yeah, thought I'd try it out because I got this new fuel to try out, which is why I made this cook kit. So yeah, thought I'd take you guys along. Alright guys, so my cook kit is just in this cup here. So first things first, we got lid, which is just made out of old baking sheet with a detachable ring in there for the handle for me to grab hold of. We got some matches. This is a just bit cut off from a tin can as a pot stand, and then we've got in here we have windshield, which is just some more baking sheet, which I've just got a rolling pin and rolled it and flattened it out and then curved it round, so that fits nicely in the side of the cup there. And then last thing we've got is my fuel. So this is chafer gel or chafer gel, not quite sure on the pronunciation. This is the last for 3 hours, and it's used under dishes to keep food warm or hot. So I thought I'd try it out as a fuel and see how it works. So yeah, that's it guys. That's our cook kit, and we're gonna make a hot chocolate. Alright guys, so the rain's just really picked up, but we're pretty sheltered under this toad to the tree here. So yeah, that's sheltering us pretty nicely. But if I just step out here, it's kind of raining. So the camera's not probably not going to pick that up, but it's raining, trust me, it's raining. Alright, so let's get some liquid in here. Enough for a hot chocolate. Should be good. And then we'll keep the matches dry, that'd be a good idea. And then we'll put them in. Alright. Like so. And it's like this blue gel. So yeah, so we'll just put that to the side, and we've got our pot stand, and that just sits on top. And then we've got our windshield pre-sheltered here, but we'll just put the windshield around anyway. Just like so, and that should help a little bit, hopefully. Yeah, and we've got our pot full of water, and we'll put that on in just a second. Got our matches, and we'll get this thing lit. She's off. Might be able to see the flame there, but we'll get our pot on here. Let's time how long it takes to get a boil. So I'll catch up with you guys once it's boiling. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and this is where we're at. You got bubbles. I want to see if it'll bring it to a boil, a bit more like a rolling boil, sorry. But yeah, I'll leave for a bit longer and we'll see what happens. Okay, it's now been 7 minutes, and we're got a decent decent like boil here. Not quite a rolling boil, but plenty hot enough for a hot chocolate. So yeah, I'll get this served up and yeah. Right guys, so we'll just take our cup off and we'll just leave it to the side. She's still burning. Now we're just going to get a stick here and flick that off. And the nice thing about this is I can just drop the lid on and it'll put itself out, because by putting the lid on, starves itself of oxygen and just burns out. So that's what I like about this. I don't have to like wait for it to all burn out or anything. I can just chuck the lid on and save whatever's left. Alright guys, so chuck the lid down there. Let's see if I can not drop my cup. Just got a packet sachet hot chocolate. These are quite handy as they just require water, and just open one up and wrong end. Open one up and chuck her in some hot water, and boom, I got myself a nice hot drink. So yeah, I'm hoping with all this rain we're getting at the moment, they'll lift the fire ban soon. I'll be very pleased if they do that. But anyway. Let's get it all in. And because I don't have a spoon with me right now, I'm just going to use the end of the packet like this and just stir her up. Actually works pretty well. Cheers guys. Oh, that's good. That is good. Nice hot drink on a wet day like this. Real good. Just love it. So if you guys have any comments or suggestions or feedback or any like videos you want to see in the future, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I'll read it, every single one. I get like 10 million bajillion. But anyway, yeah, any comments, suggestions, feedback, video ideas, just say hi. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. So thank you very much for watching guys. Cheers. Alright, before I go guys, I'll just pack up my cook set here. So got the lid all nice and tight, and that just slots in the bottom like that. And then our windshield here, it just slips in down this side here. It's a very tight fit, but that's good because then things don't rattle around or anything, which is nice. So yeah, that just fits tight in there and hardly any movement. And then our pot stand just sits on top, and when the matches aren't in my pockets, they just go in there, and lid goes on top. So yeah, that's it, my cook kit in a cup.